This is Peperomia, a low-maintenance houseplant sometimes called the baby rubber plant.
Let's take a closer look with Better Homes and Gardens.
Peperomia comes in many different shapes and sizes, but what they all have in common is that they're pretty easy to take care of. This one has thick, fleshy leaves that store water well. Here are the basics about growing Peperomia. They can survive in most light conditions, but prefer being out of direct light, though some larger, thicker leaf varieties can tolerate quite a bit of sun. The smaller leaf varieties will thrive just as well in low light. Make sure not to overwater your Peperomia since they don't need that much water, and ensure that the soil is well drained with a container with a drainage hole. The Peperomia is native to tropical climates, so it prefers lots of humidity. Try growing them in your bathroom or a room with a humidifier. Let's repot this plant. They're slow growing and can live for years in a small container. You want to pick another container that's only a couple inches bigger than its former pot. A pot that's too large may hold too much moisture and rot your plant. There are over 1,000 Peperomia species, but here are some of our favorites. The Japanese Peperomia, the Repot Peperomia, the Red Edge Peperomia, and the Watermelon Peperomia. Now that you've learned more about Peperomia, go forth and plant.